Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CamScanner for scanning signed rental agreements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the CamScanner app on your device. If you don't have it installed, go to your app store and download CamScanner. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. Look for the option to log in, usually found at the bottom of the screen. You can log in using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required details to create a new account. After signing up, return to the login screen. Enter your email and password. Tap the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. To scan a signed rental agreement, tap the camera icon. Position your document within the camera frame. Ensure the entire document is well lit and visible. The app will automatically detect the edges of the document. If needed, adjust the corners to align with the document. Once everything is in place, confirm the scan by tapping the checkmark. You can choose the scan settings based on your preferences. After scanning, the image will appear in your document list. Tap on the scanned document to review and edit if necessary. Make any adjustments, such as cropping or enhancing the image. Once satisfied, save the document. Now your scanned rental agreement is ready for sharing or storing. You can access it anytime from your dashboard. That's how you log into CamScanner and scan signed rental agreements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.